thrust for the journey to crest.
Hear out how our 2023 board toppers describe their R&T session experience at KIPS Evening Coaching.
R&T session played a crucial role in maximizing my potential and strengthening my preparation with KIPS. During these sessions, I got exposure to a variety of questions and I identified my weak points in these sessions. That really helped me a lot in making my performance top-notch.
Beat the gravity. Reach for the sky.
KIPS Evening Coaching, Revision and Test Sessions,
January 2024.
Admissions open for 9th, 10th, first year and second year.
Join now.
For details, visit your nearest KIPS Preparations campus, our websites, Facebook or call at our helplines.
KIPS Evening Coaching. Journey to Brilliance begins here.